Good morning guys! For today's episode, sasamahan lang natin si Daddy na magpagupit at meron tayong mga kailangang bilhin sa grocery at sa Filipino store. Let's go! Andito na kami guys sa barbershop. Mula dun sa isa, yung suki ni Daddy. Yung namimigay ng free chips. Yan yun, diba? First time namin dito. Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7. Hello! Ayan guys. So, by appointment pala sila. The good thing is, meron silang slot ng 4:45. Oo nga, at least dito, cure mo na yung ano mo. Sige ate, go ahead. Be careful. Itong mga girls, dala-dala nila yung mga anak nila, oh. Parang manas na nanay. Sikat lang ako. Oh.
That's nice.
Dito ka na dumaan ate. Papabili pa namin sikat ng mais.
Wow, ako na kukuha.
Ayan. Come here daw.
Ito yung famous na table corn.
The sweetest corn in Canada.
Yes po, sweetest corn.
Meron silang tinatawag na isang variety, yung honeycomb. Honeycomb.
Ay, may ganon? Hanap tayo. Ilang piraso? Tatlo, 3
pieces, 250.
Kuha akong basket holder.
12 pesos siguro, para $10. Wow, may photographer dito. Si Ridja, photographer. Check this out. Yeah.
Tawag nito ganito.
Oo, yung maliliit.
Madaling pala.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos saging. Yeah. Nagsha-shower sila.
Saging.
Saging guys. Magkano? Yung hinog na sana. Hinog. Ready to eat.
Yeah, for kids. Mix na. Yung ano mo ko ng isang parang maliit lang na lagayan.
Yeah.
Isabay mo sa baon ko.
Hindi mo na kailangan ilagay sa lagayan yan. Kasi ngayon
Ubus
pa
na.
lang.
Ano pa?
Sibuyas pala. Wala nang sibuyas.
Sibuyas?
Okay, sibuyas. Apple mo. Baon. Ayan.
Try natin to.
9.70. Nakasave.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman. Ay, bili pala ako ng sayote. Saka
Baka
spinach.
sa ano yan? Sa tapat.
Meron dito.
Meron.
Mga gulay. Dapat pala nag-move tayo. Kaya lang malayo.
Wala kasi tayo pork, no?
So, ito pala luya.
Dalawahin mo na. Kailangan natin.
Pwede po, bala tayo ng carrot.
Saan na yung plastic natin? Ay, ikaw na.
Pwede po,
Carrots. Opo, meron na sa bahay na. Broccoli. Yan.
Can I buy some blackberries?
Sige po. Be careful.
Blueberries, that's different.
That's blueberry.
Very
4.90.
sour.
Ano yun?
Parang bag.
Let's go.
We're good?
Yes.
Yes.
Black Forest. $8.29.
Papaya. Ano bang gagawin? Tinola?
Ay, isang piraso.
Papaya or sayote?
Papaya, mas masarap.
Tapos yung siopaw ni Chong.
Oo. Sige, ito naman ano. Hello. Meron kayong ano, mansanilla? Wait, kasan
Ayun,
ko
ayun.
dito eh.
Ay,
Ah,
kasi
ito. Ah, sorry. The color this one. The green button. That one, yeah. Let's wait for the dish.
Ayan, siopaw, papaya, ano pa?
Ayun
May
lang.
mansanilya ka na?
Yeah. Andun sa cashier.
Goods na to?
Yep. Ikaw bang may gusto ko pa? Alam ko, ako lang gusto mo eh. Uy, yok po. Siya nagtatagalog eh.
Ay,
You don't speak
you don't speak
Tagalog?
Tagalog,
You do. Oh.
but you can understand
Yeah.
a bit.
Yeah.
Mommy, may bag ka ba? Or
We'll just hand carry it, or if you have free plastic.
Yeah, we'll hand carry it. Okay. No? All good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Saan ko? No?
And,
No? Okay. Very good. Thank you.
sige, pasok na tayo.
Subukan ko.
Ah. Ayan. Hi. Dito ka, Adam. Just sit down, ha?
Hey, hold on. Try this. New smoke stacks. And how about you guys?
Only this one?
Burger, sure?
Yeah.
Or you wanna try this with
I think-
macarons?
Is it free every Sunday?
Oh, is that for you? Kids? They can? This too will have free? Cool.
If we order for free kids meals, any 15.9.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, awesome. So I'll get this one and this one for you.
Yeah.
So one new smoke stacks and old pork sandwich. Yeah.
Do you like cheese in the sandwich?
Do you like cheese?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then drinks. Drinks are not included yet, right?
Yeah.
So
And for your smoke stack, what base do you like? We have cabbage love, mac and cheese, barbecue beans.
what's Kim's Love? Are those meat?
No, no.
Sorry, I'm not. Yeah,
Okay.
just New Year.
It's a cabbage.
Cabbage.
Okay, just the mac and cheese, I think.
Mac and cheese only. Yeah.
Okay, and what proteins are brisket, chicken breast, pulled pork, sausage, and turkey.
Brisket, they're beef, right?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'll go with brisket. Yeah.
And 4 toppings are green onions, cheese, sour cream, and bacon.
Bacon.
I'll go with bacon. Yeah.
Bacon, you can all put 4. It's your choice. It's on you.
Can you put that on the side?
On the side?
Yeah, on the side.
Okay. Bacon?
Yeah.
Or all 4?
All 4, and then just put them on the side. I'll be the one to put them on top. That works.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can punch your order over there.
And then drinks.
Drinks? Yeah. You can do the package drinks also and fountain drinks. It's $2.99 for the fountain drink.
Okay. One or share? Just one.
Dapat pala sinama na. So, ayun guys. Ang nakatimba na. Thank you. Amrita, how are you? Do you like your food?
Mas marami pa yung meat nila kasi sa akin. Yeah.
Tayo kumain.
Nag-grocery.
Grocery at may inaantok na. Pahatid lang kami sa bahay kasi 4:12 pa lang. So, 4:45 yung appointment ni Daddy sa barbers. So, hatid muna kami tsaka yung mga pinamili namin. Tapos siya na lang mag-isa mamaya. Napakainit eh. Ay, hindi. Sama ka ba ulit mamaya? Ganito katahimik ang town kapag linggo. It's either nasa loob ng kanya-kanyang bahay ang mga tao or nag-travel sila.
Pag-araw ng mga day off.
Oo. Pag talaga weekend dito guys, matik yun. Yung mga tao dito, nag-spend talaga sila ng quality time sa family nila.
Hindi ba yun yung yung sa kapitbahay natin?
Kakamukha sila. Not being negative or what. Talaga, I'm having a hard time with their faces kasi parang magkakamukha sila.
Drop off tayo dito.
Oo. Back up si Kuya Rex. Kumakain pa. Yeah, in his life. Careful. Guys, ayusin ko lang yung jacket. Asan si Ate Ridja?
Relax. Tingnan mo, ang laki yan na cloud.
Anong malaki? Bra, hindi naman eh. Hindi.
Malaki. Malaki.
Hindi. Stop recording. Stop recording.